Are you looking for top-notch gutter services in the Puget Sound area? Meet Seamless Gutters for Less, your leading gutter experts with over 30 years of experience. Customer satisfaction is very important to us. We take great care of all of our customers, no matter how big or small the job is. From 1,000 feet of gutter installation to a simple downspout repair, everyone gets the same outstanding treatment. With over 240 5-star reviews and a perfect Google rating, we're proud to be the most trusted gutter company from Marysville to Shelton. I'm excited to tell you why Seamless Gutters for Less is the best choice for your home's gutter needs. Our hardworking crews work hard to help you protect your home. We are locally owned and operated, offering comprehensive gutter services across Seattle, Tacoma, Bellevue, Everett, and beyond. Our custom-made seamless gutters are designed to fit your home perfectly, providing both functionality and a sleek look. At Seamless Gutters for Less, we take pride in our craftsmanship and dedication to quality. We believe in offering the best prices without ever cutting corners. No matter where you are in the Puget Sound area, from north to south, Seamless Gutters for Less has got you covered. We offer expert customization at a price that cannot be beat. We guarantee that, ready to experience the Seamless Gutters for Less difference. Contact us today for a free estimate and join our many satisfied customers. Visit our website. There is a link in the description. You can click or give us a call. You will get to speak with the owner. Our friendly staff is here to help you with all your gutter needs. Seamless Gutters for Less, quality, value, and peace of mind for your home.